electricity costs possible to the Jamaican people and the business. Madam Speaker, together with the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology and Transportation, and following on the announcement the Prime Minister made at the National Arena, and we all remember what event that was, that this government will restructure GCT on electricity to make electricity more affordable and give those who want legal access to electricity the opportunity to do so. Today, Madam Speaker, we are pleased to announce that the commitment to reduce the GCT rate on electricity to 7% and eliminate the 150 kilowatt threshold for postpaid residential consumers is on track for implementation by the JPS starting on May 1, 2025. Additionally, Madam Speaker, for those postpaid residential customers who consume 250 kilowatt hours or less, they will see a rebate of 7% and a 3% subsidy for a total of 10%. This is a caring government, Madam Speaker. And a government of solutions. And I'm not done yet with Minister. On January 28, 2025, in this very Parliament, Minister Vaz revealed to the country that in 2023, the electricity stolen amounts to a staggering 40.385 billion Jamaican dollars. That works out to be 13,500 for every man, woman, and child in Jamaica. Interesting to note, Madam Speaker, that on the very next day, the Member of Parliament from East Kingston and Port Royal repeated the same figures. So there is consensus that the bill for electricity taken from the grid without paying for it is staggering. I will go further. I believe that on both sides of the aisle, we both want a solution, because all of us who pay for electricity have this added burden on our monthly bills. We have all agreed over the years that this situation of electricity theft cannot be allowed to continue. The people of Jamaica need a solution. And more important, those who cannot afford postpaid electricity also need a solution. So, Madam Speaker, together with the Minister of Energy, MP from West Portland, and following the commitment of the Most Honourable Prime Minister at a certain conference on November 24, 2024, we are pleased to announce the most ambitious program to allow affordable access to prepaid electricity. We announce the good news number 12. This government has allocated $1 billion to assist the first 20,000 first-time JPS prepaid customers $1 billion, Madam Speaker, to assist the first 20,000 first-time JPS prepaid customers who sign up for prepaid electricity. The $1 billion will go towards paying for house wiring and inspection in order to get those with a legal connection to get legally and safely connected to the JPS grid. We know that the cost of house wiring and inspection can be prohibitive for many. And so as a caring government, we are absorbing that cost in order to begin to cauterize this massive electricity problem. Prepaid electricity will put legal electricity within the reach of many, because prepaid electricity allows you to buy the amount of electricity that you can afford. When you can afford it, you have complete control. You will be able to buy the card or the vouchers from hundreds of outlets across Jamaica. Just like how you buy phone card now, you may also be able to top up online as well. The technology will make it easy to incentivize uptake of prepaid electricity service. We have another good news. The first 20,000 new prepaid customers will get $4,000 credit. So they will get $4,000 credit for electricity per month for 6 months. To incentivize the uptake of prepaid electricity service, the first 20,000 new prepaid customers will get $4,000 credit for electricity per month for 6 months.